Good morning, students. Welcome to chemistry class, chapter 6, physical and chemical changes. Types of changes are physical change, chemical change and nuclear change. The previous class you learnt about physical change. So today let's learn in detail about chemical change. What is the chemical change? A change in which one or more new substances are formed is called a chemical change. Chemical change is also called a chemical reaction. Chemical change is irreversible. Chemical change is often accompanied by evolution of heat, light and other radiation, sound, change in smell or color. It is sometimes accompanied by evolution of gas. For example, burning a substance such as wood or coal is a chemical change. It is accompanied by production of heat. Explosion of fireworks is another example for chemical change as it produces heat, light, sound and unpleasant gases that pollute the atmosphere. A chemical change that can be observed in our daily lives is the change in smell that comes off rotten food and the change in color when you leave a bitten apple out in the open for a long time. Some examples of chemical change in everyday lives are neutralization reaction, photosynthesis, digestion of food, and rusting of iron. Let's discuss some activities to understand chemical change.
One last example for chemical reaction is burning of magnesium ribbon. Magnesium is one of the alkaline earth metals. In its pure form, it is silvery white and relatively soft. It burns in air with a brilliant white light and for this reason is often used in flares and fireworks. Let's learn about the theory of activity 1.1, that is burning of magnesium ribbon. The aim of the activity is to prove that a chemical reaction occurs when magnesium ribbon is burnt. Apparatus required for this activity is magnesium ribbon, burner, tongs and glass plate. Precautions to be taken before performing the activity are as follows. Teacher's assistance is necessary. Wearing eye protection is better. Burn the magnesium ribbon holding it as far as possible from your eyes. Procedure to perform this activity. Rub the magnesium ribbon with sandpaper to remove the corroded layer, the basic magnesium carbonate. Hold the one end of the magnesium ribbon with tongs and burn it in the flame of Bunsen burner. Keep a dry glass plate to collect the white powder. Observation. Magnesium ribbon burns with white dazzling flame and changes into white powder and it is collected in the glass plate. White powder formed is magnesium oxide. Conclusion of this activity. Chemical reaction occurs with the burning of magnesium ribbon.
Litmus test on magnesium hydroxide. When magnesium oxide is dissolved in water, it forms a new substance, magnesium hydroxide. Test the aqueous solution of magnesium oxide, that is, magnesium hydroxide with red and blue litmus paper. The solution turns red litmus to blue, hence it is a basic solution. So, magnesium oxide dissolved in water gives a new substance, magnesium hydroxide. So, this is a chemical change. Burning of magnesium ribbon is a chemical change since new substance magnesium oxide is formed and it is accompanied by heat, light and ultraviolet radiation. Activity 2. Iron with copper sulfate solution. Dissolve a spoonful of copper sulfate in half cup of water in a glass beaker. The solution is blue in color. Add few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to the solution to enhance the reaction. Save a small sample of the solution in a test tube. Drop an iron nail in the remaining solution. After half an hour, observe the color of the solution with iron nail. The solution turns green and there will be a brown deposit on the iron nail. So, when iron nail kept in copper sulfate solution, chemical change occurs since new substance iron sulfate and copper are formed, accompanied by change of color, that is blue solution turns green and brown deposit on the iron nail. Activity 3, vinegar with baking soda. Take a spoonful of vinegar in a container. Add a pinch of baking soda. You can hear a hissing sound and bubbles of gas coming out. So when vinegar and baking soda react together, they form new substances, carbon dioxide, salt and water. The chemical name of vinegar is acetic acid and the chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. The salt formed in this reaction is sodium acetate. Now the carbon dioxide formed in this reaction, when we pass through this carbon dioxide gas through lime water, that is calcium hydroxide, the color of the lime water turns milky due to the formation of new substance, calcium carbonate. The reaction between vinegar with baking soda is a chemical change since new substance, the salt sodium acetate is formed, accompanied by evolution of carbon dioxide gas.